I'm Chelsea.
I'm Audrey, and welcome to Semansa News. Our top headline tonight is Pajajaran University academic community calls for dignified election.
That's right. Hundreds of Universitas Padjadjaran academic community members are calling for action related to the quality of democracy in Indonesia ahead of the 2024 general election. The action called Seruan Padjadjaran is urging authorities to implement dignified democracy. Chairman of Unpad Academic Senate, Professor Ganjar Kurnia, became the representative to read the Padjadjaran appeal in front of Unpad di Pati Ukur Campus, Bandung, West Java on Saturday. The action, which started at around 9 a.m., was followed by dozens professors, lecturers, and even students.
According to Ganjar, abuse of power in political contests and other ethical violations indicate of declining quality of democracy during President Joko Widodo administration. The practice of the ruling elite to legitimize the interests of select few will have an impact on the failure of sustainable development. One of the events highlighted in the action is the recruitment for the nomination of the President and Vice President in the Constitutional Court. The recruitment that led to the eldest son of Jokowi, Gibran Rakabuming Raka, running as the second vice presidential candidate is deemed as an abuse of power. The former rector of Unpad for the period of 2007 until 2015 says that the law, which should have been a guiding star, is instead being used to justify and legitimize problematic political, economic, social, and other policy process. This is due to the crisis, unethical, and undignified leadership.
The meaning of the execution of the 2024 election as a democratic institution not should be mocked as merely a procedure for selecting a leader. The enforcement of fair and transparent rules of the game, as well as opening up opportunities for public participation, is necessary to restore the sovereignty of the people and the identity of democracy. Ganjar also argues law enforcement regarding cases of violation that occurred during the 2024 election. This follow-up carried out the sake of the Democratic Party that is interest of the restoration of public trust in the government. He says that the state government and its officials must act like protector, guardian, and facilitator by maintaining equal distance to all electoral contestants. The implementation is for a dignified election and democracy.
Another representative, Professor Susi Dwi Harijanti, a professor of state law at Unpad, explained that over 80 professors at Unpad have signed the call for this action. In addition, dozens of lecturers have also participated, bringing the number of academics with similar concerns to 106 people. Susi claimed that this movement is free from any political baggage. She also stated that her side was not under pressure in the moral called the highlighted ethics that are normally upheld by college circles.
According to Susi, the call to action takes root is the contribution for various parties. She stated that this action demonstrates Unpad inclusive principle in viewing the conditions that occur in society. She says that the data we collect was 8 in the morning, all of it was gathered through a digital form and started to be distributed since last night. This marked the first time the professor, lecturers, alumni, and students have joined together to voice their action.
Okay, that's all for today's news.
Thank you for watching and have a great day.